The World Cup have been very, very entertaining. It just the sweet since though most of them are night
Mm.
games, but
Yeah,
we don't finally
we
reach
just dey try
the
our best to
finish every game.
watch all the
So we don't
matches.
finally reach the final four. So for out of these four wey dey semi-final now,
Yeah.
which team wey you think say na them don play the best football?
Among the four teams wey dey semi-final, the teams wey I feel say they don play best football na England.
England.
England don really try sha. Don
For me,
try.
for me, England na
And,
very good team.
and
Spain na so another good team.
and
But I still
France
choose
also.
France. France
France na
na
also
the
a
team
good
wey
team,
don
but
play.
France dey play well for this World Cup, and also England. But England don really play things wey be say yeah, dey try, and na wetin dey suppose qualify for this semi-final.
For me, na
Mm.
France play the best football.
So which team wey get the hardest journey for this semi-final to reach this semi-final?
Hmm. For me, for me, arguably, arguably for me, na Spain. Na
Mm.
Spain because they don't meet the likes of Portugal, which other team? Like they don't. If you see their part, you go feel like say they won't just comot them purposely. But I don't know for you. So which team you say now?
But for me, I go talk say na Argentina, because the way Argentina take play against Cape Verde, play against Switzerland, play against
Narrow narrow
Egypt also.
escape.
So na narrow escape wey dey do. So na Argentina really try hard sha, especially that Argentina versus Egypt match wey
Then they
everybody
lose two
don think
zero.
say Egypt don already qualify, but na Argentina later win am. So I feel say Argentina really get the hardest way to reach that semi-final.
So
So
now for this 14 wey dey this semi-final, uh, na the 4 teams suppose dey the final abi some of them just get luck abi e get some team wey no just get wey suppose dey wey no dey.
the four teams wey dey na team wey suppose dey sha, but Portugal for dey there. For Portugal for dey for that semi-final, but the four teams wey dey the semi-final na team wey really dey good, and na people wey really wan win the World Cup.
Na first time
The,
wey top 4 team
as
in FIFA ranking dey
as
play semi-final, so
so
they deserve it totally.
na Portugal wey I feel say na dem suppose dey sha. So which of the four teams wey get the strongest squad from goalkeeper reach attack? Wetin you think?
The sha I no go pass England because if you look the other 3 teams, you go see say France dey no get goalkeeper.
Mm.
Argentina dey get goalkeeper, dey get defence, but their midfield no too strong. Attack na only Messi dey push am. If you
Yeah.
come go Spain, dey get keeper, dey get defence, dey get midfield, but dey no get attack. But for England, dey get all of them. So I can't go pass England. I no know for you.
The things wey I think say really dey like that na France sha. France get everything starting from their back, defense, midfield, attack. Like France na team wey get squad wey starting from their goalkeeper to attack. France na the best team for me sha.
So for the 4 team wey remain now wey dey play the semi-final, which of them wey you think say na them get better bench wey fit come change game? Maybe they dey play draw, maybe they stop person from their bench, come make the person come show say I deserve to be in the starting 11.
Na France, because if the bench Bakola and do a start, na still part of the game. Also for Cheki dey their bench also. Even Kante wey never play match sef since wey the World Cup start, na still better player wey be say if him dey there, na him suppose start the game.
For me, I no dey go pass Spain. France they get better bench, but you know get anyhow way they expect me people will start no play
Yeah.
well or maybe they know they win their match. But you see Spain, now their sub don't they win their match since against Portugal.
Yeah,
Now
nah,
Merino.
Merino, I swear.
So even
Those Arsenal player.
even for quarter final, which team be that way they play safe? Like the one team where they play before Ronaldo, where Steve Merino come off, can
Close.
score. So now Spain, Merino always come turn up the game.
Turn up
Though
the game.
their best player Lamine Yamal,
Yeah.
he never they turn
He
up.
never even do anything for
So
this World Cup.
now Spain me at the back up for that one.
So for this stage, now to play fine football where we did for this semi-final, where be the best, I be not to just win match.
Omo Arsenal no play fine football but they win Premier League.
Uh,
So for this stage now, we be if you lose, they go
you dey
home.
go house.
Now result matter.
Nah,
You know go
result matter.
say we gain 90 possession, but where you did now? You they go home.
Yeah.
You know they look Portugal, they play back pass, but after the pass is where they play finish, where them
Nah,
dey now? They don't go home.
they
So
don't
what
go.
matter for this semi-final now?
Nah,
Nah,
just to win match.
how you take win your match.
No, the result no really matter. Sha.
So for this tournament now, for like okay, for this four team will remain. Which team don't impress you the most?
For these 4 teams wey dey sha, the team wey don impress me the most sha na Argentina because of the way wey dey take play. They don really impress me sha.
I be like no be definitely which team don't impress, like which coach don't impress you both for the tactics and the substitution.
Okay, the coach wey don really do well sha na still Argentina because of the way wey take dey play that Messi. If him comot, you know say if him comot that Messi, if Messi no start match, problem go dey. And na Messi be Argentina. The way everything take be.
I
Because
swear.
if Messi no play, Argentina no go play. If you watch their last match against Switzerland,
They mark am out, they
they
don't play
mark am out,
anything.
they no play anything.
And you see say Scaloni, in go day bench, watch as game they be. Source
Yeah,
where in go bring. Go come expand the game for Messi. Say Messi go fit get chance play well.
yeah.
So na Scaloni get am.
So which coach can't get the biggest pressure to win this World Cup now?
The coach wey get the biggest pressure to win this World Cup na that England coach. England
Yeah,
coach
Tuchel.
Thomas because players boko like for the
When
players
go
dey.
manage well to win
So now
that.
if you come see first 11 of players wey you no even call up,
Yeah,
you go notice say England suppose dey top like top contender to win.
yeah.
France they don win am before Argentina,
Before.
na dem be defending champion.
Yeah.
Though Spain they don already do well for both the Euros wey dem play and other one, but the most coach wey the pressure dey for head to win am na
Nah,
England
England.
coach.
Yeah, nah, England. Sure.
So which team get the highest fighting spirit when match hard for this remaining 4 teams now?
The team why I feel say they get the strongest fighting spirit for this stage now na England. Also England, because if you go watch how England take the play, you go know say England really dey hungry and they
They
very
wan bring the
hardworking.
cup home.
Say they wan win this World Cup. The way they take the hustle, everything,
Yeah, that one.
dey very tight. So e show say na England wey really wan win this World Cup. Sha.
But for me, I still no go past Argentina. Argentina, they don't show am when they dey 2-0 down.
Yeah.
They fight to come back against Cape Verde. If they score, Cape Verde will score back. So, but England is a good job. For me, I'm going with Argentina.